Sometimes you get a head of broccoli and it's got leaves, it's got a stem. How do you use as much of this broccoli as humanly possible? You know what to do with the florets, but what about the rest? By the way, this is you might notice that this broccoli looks a little bit different than what you might see at the grocery store. This is called a Romanesco broccoli, which just basically means that it's got pointy florets rather than round ones. No problem. Round floret broccoli will work exactly the same way. So let me take off the florets and we'll talk. All right, I have cut the florets off of my broccoli, looking good. What I'm left with is the leaves and the stem. Now, the leaves we can use like pretty much any other bitter green. You can wilt them, you can blanch them, you can steam them, you can put them in salads. You can use them basically the same way you would spinach. And the stem is basically like a kind of uglier, slightly woodier on the bottom version of the broccoli. Let's get these processed. All right, I'm gonna start with these greens. These greens are pretty easy. All I'm gonna do, I actually have a plan for these greens. I'm going to chop them finely and I'm going to use them fresh in the very near future. I'm gonna use them fresh like tomorrow in a salad. If I was not planning on using them in the very near future, then I would just blanch these greens probably for about 30 seconds and then stick them in the freezer. You could also turn these greens into a pesto. You can wilt them and have them with balsamic vinegar or with a nice Asian sauce. You could put them in a stir fry, you could put them in a curry, you could put them in a soup, and I suppose you could put them in vegetable broth as well, but that just seems like a criminal underuse of these wonderful greens. And like I said, I'm gonna store these guys for tomorrow, and then we'll get on processing the stem. I don't like to waste anything if I can avoid it, especially when it's delicious. Now, got this stem. This part down here that's been exposed to air and is also farther down towards the ground, it's going to be kind of woody. So that part I'm going to discard and toss away because it's going to be kind of the roughest. And that still gives me a fair amount. Now, if you've got a mandolin, you can turn this into matchsticks. You could turn this into coins like that. Do something fancy, maybe steam it, maybe use them as a garnish. But I am planning to use these fresh tomorrow, so I'm gonna slice them into matchsticks as thin as I can. And honestly, gotta get out my mandolin, but I don't feel like getting something else dirty that I have to clean. Now, you wonder, what does this taste like? I'll be honest. Tastes like broccoli. That's it. Just tastes like. It's really a texture thing. When you eat a broccoli floret, and then you eat the stem, the trunk of the broccoli floret, that's what it tastes like. That's it. Now, you could also, the stem, be amazing in soup. It would be good once you have it cut up. Also good in stir fry. You could probably, I don't know if you can make broccoli mash or not, but this would be a good candidate. Put it in fried rice. I already mentioned stir fry, curry, basically anything. But I mean, you can also just use it fresh as a salad. Can you imagine just these cute little pale matchsticks with balsamic vinaigrette or Greek salad dressing or any salad dressing that floats your boat? Honey mustard. It'd be a really nice little side dish, nice and fresh and super pleasant. I mean, you're really only limited by your imagination. And once you get it all nice and cut up, I mean, this kind of looks janky, but this, it looks quite genteel and nice. And people might not even know what it is unless you tell them. It's a nice pale vegetable matchstick with a nice sauce that you are providing as a nice dinner salad or lunch salad or whatever the heck you feel like salad. Sprinkle it on something. It'll be good. You know, there is so much that you can do with a stem. Just for the love of everything, don't throw it away. I mean, why would you throw away perfectly good food when it's delicious? I didn't know this when I was growing up, so, you know, I'm glad that I can kind of spread the word here on my little YouTube channel about how this should not be thrown away. This should be eaten. Because, you know, it's tasty. All right, I hope I have inspired you with some ideas and suggestions about what to do with your broccoli stems and leaves. I mean, seriously, just don't throw it away. Make vegetable stock, make fried rice, make salad, make whatever. Drop a note in the comments. Tell me what you are doing with your broccoli stems and leaves, or just one or the other. It's up to you. Well, this has been a short and sweet Make Mend Grow with Diana. If you enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one.